In talking about rotational symmetry, the main phrase that you need to know is to the order of. Right? When we're talking about rotational symmetry, we're talking about how we spin an object about its center so that it looks exactly the same. Now I'm going to demonstrate with this red triangle up in the top right corner here, and we can see that it is an isosceles triangle, and so now I'm going to spin it, and we're going to look to see how many times this triangle looks exactly the same as we turn it. Alright, so I'm turning it, and I've left the red triangle there to show you where we started. Okay? And in this case, because it's an isosceles triangle, there is a rotational symmetry to the order of 1. Now technically there isn't any such thing as an order of 1, so basically when a shape, as you turn it, does not look exactly the same as it does when it first starts, then you say that it has no rotational symmetry. Let's have a look at this other shape down here. This is a recycling symbol, and as I turn it, let's see how many times the shape looks exactly the same. Every time it looks exactly the same, that means that we have to add one more order. Okay? So I'm turning it, and as you can see, it's starting to look somewhat similar. Oh, about there. It doesn't look quite exact, but that's a problem with the video. But we can say that that's very close, so that's an order of 1. And now we keep spinning it, and you can see the shape is starting to match again. Alright, so that's a second time. Alright, and then we come around to where it finishes. Okay, so in this case, this particular shape has rotational symmetry to the order of 2. Okay? Alright, well, that's the very brief introduction to rotational symmetry. Good luck.